Thanam kun day, but there it is, the dawn on the hills of Ireland, God's angels lifting the night's black veil from the fair, sweet face of my sire land. Oh, Ireland, isn't it grand you look, like a bride in her rich adorning? With all the pent-up love of my heart, I bid you the top of the morning. And ho, upon Cleana's shelving strand, the surges are grandly beating, and Kerry is pushing her headlands out to give us the kindly greeting. Into the shore the seabirds fly, on pinions that know no drooping, and out from the cliffs with welcomes charged, a million of waves come trooping. And doesn't old Cove look charming there, watching the wild waves' motion, leaning her back up against the hills and the tip of her toes in the ocean? I wonder I don't hear Shandon bells. Maybe their chiming's over, for it's many a year since I began the life of a western rover. For 30 summers a storm Machree, those hills I now feast my eyes on, ne'er met my vision save when they rose over memory's dim horizon. Even so 'twas grand and fair they seemed in the landscape spread before me, but dreams are dreams, and my eyes would ope to see Texas skies still o'er me. Now fuller and truer the shoreline shows. Was ever a scene so splendid? I feel the breath of the Munster breeze. Thank God my exile's ended. Old scenes, old songs, old friends again, the vale and the cot I was born in. O Ireland, up from my heart of hearts, I bid you the top of the morning.